taco lovers. Today we're making brisket poutine tacos and talking about listening to show that you care. So, several years back, my wife and I took a trip to Canada. She had wanted to see Niagara Falls for most of her life, and we went because we were having some problems in our marriage, and we thought that maybe it would help patch things up if we took a vacation together. But the issues were still there. My wife felt that I wasn't paying enough attention to her, that I wasn't listening to her. And to be honest, I may not have. When you've been married for several years, you kind of do tend to fall into the same arguments and same discussions. But that's not the point. The point is, if you want a relationship to work, that you have to work together. And so that does mean making time for the other person. So when you're talking to the other person, don't be on your phone. Put your phone down and pay attention to them. Being here now is what you want to do. Be present to them. Actually look at them and pay attention to what they're saying. Even if you're hearing everything they're saying and registering it completely, the appearance that you're giving is that the other person is not important to you, that your phone is more important than the other person. And if you're in a relationship, that's not the outlook that you want to give. Show them that they are appreciated and they are loved by showing that you're listening. Now, to make these tacos, this was very simple. These tacos were very simple to put together. Start by cooking some brisket, however you want to cook it, slicing that up into small bits. Okay. Cooking some french fries. If you want to cook fresh, you can. I used a bagged pre-made french fries, plain, and make some gravy. So on the tortilla, you're going to place a bed of french fries, and then your sliced brisket, and then some queso fresco or other semi-soft cheese, mozzarella, Monterey Jack, however you want to do it, and then cover with gravy. It can be brown gravy, it can be cream gravy, however you like it. And there you have Texas brisket poutine tacos. So let's try these tacos. That is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this, and if you made it yourself, let me know how yours came out. And if you did anything differently, you can let me know in the comments below. We do a new video every week, every Taco Tuesday, and I hope you have a great day.